Every AI that writes, chats, summarizes, or reasons runs on the same kind of engine underneath, a large language model. It's the brain of modern AI, the thing behind ChatGPT and every tool like it. Most of those brains are locked inside private company servers. But NVIDIA has built a family of them, called Nemotron, and put them out in the open for anyone to download, inspect, and run. Today we meet the brains and see why open here means something much bigger than free. First, the basics in plain English. A large language model is trained by reading a staggering amount of text, books, code, the web, until it gets extremely good at one thing: predicting what comes next. That simple trick, done at enormous scale, is what lets it write an email, answer a question, summarize a document, or work through a problem step by step. The newest ones don't just autocomplete, they reason. When people say AI today, this brain is usually what they mean. This is Nemotron, NVIDIA's family of these brains. And here's what makes it special. Most open AI models only give you the finished weights, the trained brain, as a black box. NVIDIA goes further. It releases the weights, the actual training data, and the recipes used to build it. That's rare, and it matters. It means you can truly inspect it, trust it, and even build on it. And people are. This one model has been downloaded nearly 900,000 times in a single month. This isn't a demo. It's infrastructure. Nemotron isn't one model, it's a family in different sizes because different jobs need different brains. Nano is small enough to run on a laptop or a device for fast, private, on-the-spot tasks. Super is the workhorse, a 120 billion parameter model for serious work on a server. And Ultra is the giant, a frontier-scale brain for the hardest problems. Think Pocket Assistant, Office Expert, and Research Team. Same family. Same recipe, you just pick the size that fits the task and your budget. Under the hood, Nemotron uses a few clever ideas worth knowing. The big one is called Mixture of Experts. Picture a huge team of specialists, but for any given question, only the 2 or 3 relevant experts actually speak up. So the model has the knowledge of a giant, but runs at the cost of something much smaller. That's why Super activates only 12 of its 120 billion parameters at a time. It also reads up to 1 million words of context at once, a whole book or code base in one go, and it's built to reason and to power AI agents. Here's the part that matters for you. Because these are open, you're not renting access through someone else's app. You can download the brain and run it yourself. The smaller Nemotron models even come in laptop-friendly formats that run on ordinary hardware. That means you can keep your data private, build it into your own tools and agents, fine-tune it on your own material, and pay nothing per use. For a business, that's the difference between being a customer of AI and being an owner of it. So Nemotron is NVIDIA's open brain, a whole family of language and reasoning models you can download, understand, and build on, from laptop size to frontier scale. It's the engine the rest of this series plugs into. But a brain that only reads and writes text is missing something. It can't see. Next episode, we give AI eyes vision models. See you there.